Think you need thousands of dollars to start investing? What if I told you that you can actually begin with just $10? That's right, $10. The cost of 2 coffees or 1 lunch out. That small step can build lifelong investing habits, give you confidence, and even turn into long-term wealth over time. Today, I'll show you exactly how to make that $10 work for you. Welcome to Grow My Savings. In this video, you'll learn how to open the right kind of investment account, what you can buy with just $10, smart strategies to grow small amounts, and why starting early matters more than starting big. Yes, $10 is enough. The truth is, the hardest part of investing isn't money, it's getting started. Think about it. If you invest $10 every week for 10 years, that's over $5,000 before interest. Add in compound growth, and your money could grow even more. So don't wait until you have enough. $10 today is worth more than $100 later if you keep delaying. Next, you need the right account. Luckily, there are beginner-friendly options with no big barriers. Robo-advisors. These automate everything for you. Perfect if you don't want to pick stocks yourself. Online brokerages. Many now let you buy fractional shares, so you don't need hundreds to invest in big companies. Micro-investing apps. These can literally invest your spare change when you buy groceries or coffee. The key is choosing one with low fees and no high minimums, so your $10 goes straight to investing, not fees. So what can $10 buy you? More than you think. ETFs and index funds. With one purchase, you own a piece of hundreds of companies. That's instant diversification. Fractional shares. Always wanted to own a slice of Apple, Tesla, or Amazon? Now you can, even with just a few dollars. Micro-investing apps let your $10 grow automatically, little by little, without lifting a finger. Crypto or stablecoins. Higher risk, yes, but some investors like to experiment with just a small portion. Your choice depends on your goals, but even $10 can give you exposure to powerful assets. Now, here's how to make that $10 count. Dollar cost averaging. Instead of waiting to save $100, invest $10 regularly. Over time, you buy at highs and lows, balancing your risk. Reinvest dividends. If your investment pays you back, put it right back in. It speeds up growth. Automate contributions. Set it and forget it. Investing is easiest when it happens in the background. Watch fees carefully. Paying $1 in fees on $10 is like giving away 10%, so pick low-cost options. The biggest benefit isn't the money, it's the habit. Starting with $10 helps you build investing confidence, learn how markets work, and prepare for bigger investments later. Small steps today can add up to serious wealth over the years. If you had just $10 to invest today, where would you put it? Stocks, ETFs, crypto, or something else? Drop your answer in the comments below. So, to recap, you can start investing with just $10. Use accounts with low minimums. Choose options like ETFs, fractional shares, or apps. Stay consistent and let time do the heavy lifting. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and join me next time on Grow My Saving as we cover how to build wealth on any budget.